What happens when you find a planet that doesn't orbit a star, yet it's still glowing with heat and wrapped in auroras? NASA's James Webb Space Telescope just studied such a world. SIMP RO-136, a rogue planet only 20 light-years away. What scientists found shocked them. This lonely planet is being baked from the inside out by its own auroras. SIMP 0136 is about 12.7 times the mass of Jupiter and slightly larger in size. Unlike most planets, it doesn't orbit a star. It's a rogue planet, drifting freely through space. It spins once every 2.4 hours, meaning astronomers can quickly observe changes across its atmosphere. Temperatures? Over 1,500 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt metal. Not bad for a planet with no sun nearby. With Webb's infrared vision, scientists measured the planet's atmosphere in incredible detail. They could detect temperature changes as small as 5 degrees across a world hundreds of trillions of kilometers away. That precision revealed two major surprises. A thermal inversion. Temperatures rise with altitude, the opposite of Earth. Auroras, glowing storms of charged particles, are heating the planet's upper atmosphere. Normally, auroras are caused by solar winds striking a planet's magnetic field. Think Earth's northern lights. But SIMP 0136 doesn't orbit a star. Instead, its magnetic field and internal processes generate auroras that literally bake the planet's atmosphere. These auroras create storms, much like Jupiter's Great Red Spot, but made of exotic chemistry. JWST also found global cloud coverage. No clear skies anywhere. But these aren't water clouds. They're made of silicate grains, basically tiny particles of hot sand floating in the air. Imagine an endless planet-wide dust storm, glowing under alien auroras. This discovery changes how we think about planets. Rogue worlds like SIMP 0136 may form inside solar systems and get ejected, or they might be failed stars, sub-brown dwarfs. Either way, their atmospheres evolve differently from star-orbiting planets. Auroras heating entire planets could mean rogue worlds are more dynamic and more common than we thought. There may be billions, even trillions of rogue planets in the Milky Way. Most are invisible in the dark. But with Webb, and soon the Nancy Grace Roman Telescope, we're finally beginning to see what's happening on these lonely wanderers. Auroras that bake a planet, clouds made of sand, heat without a sun. SIMP 0136 reminds us that the universe doesn't just break the rules, it writes entirely new ones. So what other rogue worlds are out there, waiting for us to find them? Only time, and telescopes like Webb, will tell. Auroras that bake a planet, clouds made of sand, heat without a sun. SIMP 0136 reminds us that the universe doesn't just break the rules, it writes entirely new ones. So what other rogue worlds are out there, waiting for us to find them? Only time, and telescopes like Webb, will tell.